Oh God, do you want to see it? Hi guys, we're at Barlaston Station level crossing in Staffordshire with Brighton. Hello.
Hi guys, we're at Barlaston Crossing with Brighton 5.
What about me? There's Annie's sister. No, not Daisy, that's Joe's sister.
Yeah.
Anyways, the time now is 20:23 on Saturday, the 11th of July 2015. And this is for our slightly delayed 2020 One Hotel 04 Virgin train service from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. Yeah.
I would depend because I sometimes go on my phone and now I'm starting using my iPad. Send it onto Messenger, then put it on my channel, but I've forgotten my password again because I've gone in my Google.
Yeah.
So I go next.
This is the last closure here site.
Alright.
Yeah, and also I've then got 25 minutes, so I might have to film with my phone and then film off the screen or something. Cause,
I'm probably going up soon. Yeah, come here again, film Wedgwood as well.
I will. It just depends what times I've got there, because I've got Lincoln trip, I've got York trip, I've got secret trip.
It's a secret trip. Oh, the American.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Oh gosh. But I'll give you a clue. American. You can guess where I'm going from there. I'll hopefully guess correct. I mean, one place I really want to go is Watford North. I like that crossing, it's got nice old halogens. Also London Bridge.
It's cold.
Well, it's been raining.
So this is going to be a Virgin Pantomime to Manchester.
Yeah.
Manchester.
To Manchester Piccadilly, yeah.
Right, I get it now.
As
What
long
was this going to be?
just a pendy, that's all.
Oh.
I've got a lot of trips on my plan. I've got a lot of plans too.
Yeah, oh gosh, hold on. That expected past 2027. She's running quite late. Due to pass at 20 past.
I've been in a video on YouTube where it'll be like.
Yeah, well, hold on. Yeah, in a second.
And usually.
390:31 to Manchester, and up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.